Below invoice. Oh, the oldest trick in the book. Below invoice. What does it really mean? All Chevrolet, Ford, Kia, and Mitsubishi dealers pay the same for their vehicles from the factory, to the penny. The incentives are all the same, too.
To the penny!
Which means any comparable Chevrolet, Ford, Kia, or Mitsubishi is going to cost just about the same at every dealership. No dealer has a competitive advantage when it comes to pricing or financing, and that's just the truth. If you're going to fall for below invoice pricing, I have oceanfront property in Arizona I can sell you, and it's going fast. Claims of lower prices of any kind should make you nervous. The Sunset Auto family doesn't play games like that. In fact, they prefer what you prefer, straightforward, transparent pricing. What the Sunset Auto family of dealerships does have that other dealers could offer but don't. Warranty protection for life and oil changes for life included with every single qualifying vehicle. So you see, it's not what you pay, it's what you get. And you just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.